tupige. Ai, tumekuwa twingi. So here are some birds. There are some birds here which are feeding on. There is a tractor here working here. It's like they have attracted these birds, and there are very, very many here. I don't know. I think they are waiting for the tractor to come and scare whatever they eat. So it's like a forest of them here. I don't know whether I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Almost 40 birds. And they are not fearing the tractor. Okay? So there are very, very many birds here. They are just, the tractor is coming, and they are, I don't know, I am not seeing them eating anything. Look at them. Look at the birds. That's the tractor ploughing. And now they are running. Oh, they are running. They are picking some things. When the tractor passes, they pick. So it's like the tractor is chasing whatever they are eating, because I can see. Look at them, guys. This is nature. Now look at them. When the tractor passes, they run very fast. Look at them. So when the tractor passes, they are eating. All right, they are eating. I think there must be some insects or something like that. All right. So they are waiting until the tractor passes. So, see, I don't know what they are called. Zinaitwa nini hizi nini? Zinaitwa nini? Unajua jina yake? Sijui kwetu tulikuwa tukisiita nini. Kwa sababu wakati nilikuwa nachunga, nilikuwa naziona. Kuna kanjina tulikuwa tunaziita huko nyumbani. Tractor inakuanga mzuri. Si mmemaliza? Dakika ngapi? Kidogo sana. Sasa hapa. So the tractor is finishing. The tractor is finishing there. All right. And it is passing. Can you see it? It's whatever there. Okay. It is finishing now. And the birds are waiting at the corner there. Oh. Okay. Okay, sawa eh? Yeah. Naenda kuona ule mtu. Kwani ulikuwa? Oh, hamujaonana naye? Labda nipigie kijana huyu wao. Huyu anapeleka pikipiki. Nimwambie mmekuja Okay. Sawa, hebu nimwambie. Nitampigia saa hii. So guys, may end that video of ploughing there. All right. Land preparation using a tractor. All right. And then a unique relationship between the tractor and the birds. Okay. So the birds wait for the tractor to pass, and then they eat. So they are clearing now. All right, guys, goodbye, and see you in my next video. See you in my next video. Okay.